Okay, section 7.6 is building scale models. These are all from blocks, so it is helpful if you have some of the blocks from your math teacher. I'm not, obviously in this video, I can't really show that to you, but if you can get some of those blocks, linking cubes, then, and maybe some grid paper for some of the practice questions, that would be helpful. Okay, so in the try these, we've done some of these. We've done top, front, right side views. We haven't done left side, but it's just the left side of the object. So we're going to check on this. So it says, could all these views represent the model on the right? So remember on that isometric paper, the left diagonal is the front. So this, from the front, take a look. It's 2 across, 3 up, so that looks good, and it's all the same level. So that seems reasonable. On the right, same thing, all level. On the top, so you're looking down from above, it's 2 by 2, all level. And then notice on the left side here, it is 6, but these outside, this kind of U shape is closer. So that's kind of like saying there's a block taken out. So it would be sort of level with this block behind. And so that could very well be, because we can't see that left side view. It looks like it's solid all the way, but there could be a missing block, obviously not at the top, but in the second row or even on the first row, there could be, oh, just a sec. Yeah, a missing block. And then this side, because this is all solid here, these 3 here, and there's a top and a bottom. So there could be that middle one missing. So yes, yes, they could. Can you be sure that these views represent the model? Explain. Well, it's the left side view that we can't guarantee is true. Okay, basically from this, we know it has to have a bottom, so it could be this, or it could be not darkened there. So basically the other option, we would do 6 like this, and then these would be darkened all the way here. So that's the only other option it could be. All right, so using those 1 centimeter linking cubes, build a scale model for the views on the right. So I'm going to just try to do it and show you on paper what it might look like. So, so use the top view to help you build the base. So the top view says it's 3 across at some point, and 2 of them are closer. So so basically 3 across, like, oh, I'm not so good at drawing that. Just a sec here. There we go. Okay, so that's for sure what the base is. Obviously, there's 2 taller. So this is the front here. So the front has 3 there. There's obviously, we got to go up 2 higher. So up 2 across. Oh gosh. It is easier if you have your blocks. I'm going to erase some parts. Block there, there. Okay, and then across, up here, do. Oh, sorry. No, I don't need that one. it's empty there. Just have my, okay, so that, and then this block here. So up to, and then across here, 1. Oof. That. Okay, like that. Then the left side, this is closer. Oh yeah, the left side we can't see, but that looks like what the left side would be. The bottom one is closer, and the right side, the top and the bottom. So looking pretty good there. It's just a little bit messy, so I'm going to try to just do a cleaner version. Just to help you out a little bit. So those are all front and center. I'm not sure. And this goes up there, and this goes up. Right. Okay, and then across like that. Yeah, not too bad. So it looks something like that. Okay. All right, next one. Co is a designer. She wants to build a model of a building 80 meters tall, 20 meters wide, and 40 meters long. The building will be a rectangular prism. The scale will be 1 to 2,000. How can Co build the model? So we're kind of working backwards now. So with scale, remember this is on the model or map. So model or map, and this is real life. But in all the other questions that we've done so far in this chapter, we've been given the distance on the model and asked to find the distance in real life. Now we're given the real life. So we used to multiply, but now we're going to divide. We need to get them in the same units. So what are the actual dimensions of the building in centimeters? So remember, there's 100 centimeters in meters. So we're going to have 8 with 3 zeros. 2 with 3 zeros, so 2,000 and 4,000. Okay, then what are the dimensions of the scale? So as I mentioned, because we're doing the opposite, we are going from the actual dimensions to the scale model dimensions. We're going to divide by 2,000, divide by that scale factor. So sorry, I gotta go look again. 8,000, 2,000, 4,000. Okay, so 8,000, 2,000, 4,000. Divide by 2,000. So these are pretty easy to do. You can use your calculator if you need to, but that would be 4 centimeters, that would be 1, and that would be 2 centimeters. Needed? Well, we could do a little diagram. So if I need 4 that's the height. 2 across, 1 that way, and 4 up here. So I'll make this a little bit shorter. So we're going to have like this, right? And 4 and 2. Okay, so we'll multiply. Remember, a linking cube is 1 centimeter squared, cubed, I should say, 1 by 1 by 1. So we're going to need 4 by 1 by 2, which is 8 cubes. And you can see 2, 4, 6, 8. Build the model, label the top, front, and right side. So this would be the front. Up there would be the top. And this would be the right side. Draw the top, front, and right side views. Okay, just so here our front is by 2. All flat level, so nothing's darker than the other. Our right side, so this is the front. Our right side view is just a single. That's the right side, and the top is just 2 of them. Okay. And that's it. You can work on the practice now, and then you can skip 7.7, and that's drawing and matching. So if you look at 7.7, I'm just going to look at it here. You can do it, but it's more of a bit of a game. So if you have spare time, you could play with your partner, okay? And then go to 7.8.